Good morning to yet another boring day in the quarantine life of myself, today on YouTube. So starting off the day, it's very boring. This is the only view I get from my window. It's not like I hate this view, I love this view, but I feel like there's better things to do in life than to just sit on a computer, edit all day and look at this view. But then this is a day in the life of me, so I'll show you what I do the whole day. It's been close to over 100 days of quarantine and it's getting to me really bad, to be very honest. Okay, yeah, so after this I'd generally just go for a run or a walk, but then, now things have changed. I usually just go on the treadmill, but then today my body aches a lot, so I probably might not. But let's go have breakfast now. Ooh, let's go. Hi, Mama.
Hi.
Hello.
The mic near to shak kache lal shak hobe aske.
This is for lunch. Oh, see. There's a cat. Hi.
So here's our cat. She's basically a stray cat. Unfortunately, her mother died in a dog fight when she was just 3 days old. So we adopted her in, and she's just adorable and super shy.
All right, so we're done with the breakfast bit. All right. So, my task for the day, what I'd start off from is I start off editing. So I have two laptops right now. One's working right now, it's doing a render, so it's gonna take some time. The other one I have over here, this is where I do most of my video edits. So that's there. And now I'll just be sitting here for the next 3-4 hours editing my videos till I have my lunch. And also, little sad fact, I literally lost both of my hard disks. Actually, wait, I'll show you. These two were the ones that I had all my pictures till date, and both of them crashed. I have to send these over to Netherlands to fix them up. So let's see if they'll get fixed up. Till then I have to just edit my videos and stuff and not photos. So, oh, I forgot to show you guys one thing. Wait, you see this place right here? Hold up. So yeah, this right here, this is my favorite spot in the entire house. This is like this I don't. Is this the patio? I don't know. That's my balcony over there. That's my room. This is the empty space right in front of it. So this is basically where I shoot most of my videos, and yeah, it turned out to be one of my favorite spots during this quarantine session because I can't go out. So here I am. Okay, so all in all, it was a really productive day so far. I got my college work done, I got my client work done, I had my own projects done like the video edits and all that stuff. So far in 3 hours we did quite some work. Now it's 12 o'clock right now. I'll go take a shower, I'll come back, have lunch, and then we'll proceed with the next part of the day. Alright, so done with the shower, let's go have our food right now.
ওই ক্যামেরা সরা সবার আজকে নাক বড় করবে ছোট দিবা এইবার দেখ দৌড় হাই হাই
It slipped out my mouth.
बोला क्या था बोलो
अरे बोला था बात बोला था और क्या बोला था मैं ना फिजिक्स पढ़ रही हूँ आंटी मुझे बोल रहे এর নামটা বল্লভভাই পটেল मैं ना बल्ला बल्ला ऐसे आंटी হচ্ছে গোলুকে বলছে কি তুমি देर লেখো বাংলায় দয়কা ডয় শোনার এবার গোলু বলে কি করে লিখে ডয় করে हिंदी में छोटी बड़ी होता है अब बांग्ला में भी होता है तो होशु उशु होता है बोले कि
Hello everybody, very good evening to you all. I took a short nap. I woke up right now. It's almost sunset time, so I think it's best we should go upstairs because that's what I basically do in the evening. After I'm done working and I'm tired, I go upstairs, enjoy the sunset and come down to have my snacks or like my fruits or whatever. So let's go upstairs and check out the sunset then. Yes, the camera has fogged up, but let's go. So I would occasionally also carry a water bottle just in case, like, you know, I stay here for too long. It's important to stay hydrated, so yeah. So this is our rooftop area kind of. Yeah, the sunset over there, and we also sometimes occasionally get these poop over here on the terrace, and these are actually from some wild cats that we have roaming around in our house, so they don't harm us, they just poop on the terrace. This time I also got my GoPro, which I usually don't bring because I just stay here and shoot, but then sometimes I do bring my cameras just in case I want to shoot the sunset. Got my camera, my wires, my power bank, and it's time to just set it up. You have kids over there, they're flying kites or something. Yeah, I don't see any kites in the sky though, but then I literally have zero charge on the GoPro. I have to charge it up. I slept putting this camera on charge and I completely forgot to turn on the switch, and I woke up with like 18% charge on this camera. I'm like, wait, why didn't it charge? And then I realized I didn't turn on the switch. Pointless. Let me just show you around. So this is the surrounding area of my house. We have the airport right over there, so somewhere behind those trees, right behind that house, is the airport. So yeah, you have the airport over here. This side you have plenty of houses. Now since this is like an airport residential area, the houses are quite low height, and our house, I mean honestly I won't deny we get one of the best views of sunset in our area, and it's quite sick because, you know, it stands at such a height that there's no obstruction in front. It's like literally just you and the sun, and there's literally just trees that guards it, but then I don't mind that either. We have plenty of trees around. Helps with the oxygen. It helps with the oxygen and stuff like that. But wait, can you hear that? That's the flight. That's the plane taking off. It's great. It's actually great staying here. We're close to the airport. We have a good sunset. What do you want? Now during quarantine, literally there are no flights taking off, so it's the most perfect time. Only birds chirping around, which kind of annoys in the morning when I try to wake up because they chirp the shit out of their lungs when they do that in the morning. But it's absolutely great. Ooh. Is that a squirrel? So yeah, do you see that? That is the wild cat that actually did all of that poop over there. Roams around in this area over here. That's hers actually. It's a mother. It literally gave birth to like around 17 puppies right in that window over there. Those are the puppies. Those are her babies over there. So more trouble incoming. Also, I'm not really sure if you guys noticed, but like when I was having lunch, excuse me. So as I was saying, like in Bengali cuisine, we generally have around 2 to 3 dishes. It can go above that, but in general we have at least 3 dishes, and then we have the main dish. That's basically how the cuisine goes, and it's our house thing that every night we try to make something different. So tonight we're trying to make butter chicken, and we're trying to make butter naan, but like in a different way. I don't know how, but my mom also made achar the other day. If you don't know what achar is basically pickle, and she made how do I say this, tetule achar. So is that tamarind? I think yeah, tamarind pickle. I don't know if you guys ever had tamarind pickle, but like Indians over here, dude, you guys must love tamarind pickle, man. We'll shoot the sunset right now, and then we'll go down. We'll probably have tetule achar, the pickle, and then we'll prepare the dish for tonight. Well, so it's been quite some time. It's almost 9 o'clock right now, so let's go see what my sisters are up to.
Hello.
What's up? No,
No.
I thought you guys were supposed to cook today. She's sleeping, she is gaming, and she is napping, I suppose. Your eyes are red. Tum so. So wait, let's go downstairs and check on the food. Chutney,
ওটা চাটনি না, ওটা বাটার চিকেনের গ্রেভি।
butter chicken gravy?
মশলাটা ওটা। ওটা মশলা রেডি বাচ্চা হবে তো। চিকেন টিক্কা বানিয়ে তারপরে করব।
এইখানে কি ছোট?
আমি আদা ছাড়াচ্ছি।
তুমি আদা ছাড়াচ্ছ?
এই টিক্কাটা দেখাবো। এয়ার ফ্রায়ারে তৈরি হচ্ছে।
Good job. I'm proud of you.
থ্যাঙ্কস।
কি বলছে এক পিস খাবো তাহলে?
ও মা সেই হয়েছে। শুধু মনে হচ্ছে শুধু এটাই খাই।
Yes sir. বানাও।
টাইম একটু বেশি নিয়েছি।
Okay. See you guys at 10:30. तुम लोग करने की कोशिश क्या कर रहे हो?
Trying to make
बैंड
something
बनाने की
band
कोशिश कर
or
रहे हैं।
something
किसका बैंड बजाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो?
कुछ भी बनाने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं
कुछ भी बहुत अच्छा होगा।
शायद से like
शायद से we are trying our
first
best।
time
Are
it
you
is
trying those things?
No, I see.
exactly
কোনটা পনির কোনটা চিকেন?
এটা পনির আর ওটা চিকেন
Oh. Damn. Wow. So paneer over here, butter chicken over there. We'll have dinner right now. Taste. Ooh. हाँ, butter ना normal से. Damn.
পনির দিলাম একটু চিকেন দেবো বাবা। কি এগুলো?
Anyway, we'll have dinner right now. So meet you guys after dinner is over. So welcome back. It was just a while back I came back from dinner. It was really good. I enjoyed it so much. So that'll be the end of our journey today. I'm dead sleepy right now. That's basically how my day is, how life in the day of Shanbiz is. It's honestly not that exciting. It is a lot boring. But then I also wanted this to be as transparent as possible without showing much of the fancy stuff. Working, editing, and then just watching sunset, and that's it. But yeah, that's it. I'll be signing off right now. I am super tired. It's almost 12 right now. It's almost time for me to go to sleep and then wake up at 3 o'clock or 5 o'clock and start the day again. So that's it for today. Shanbiz over now. See you guys next time. Bye.